Meaning of embarrassing.
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 Embarrassing. Embarrassing is an adjective that describes a feeling of shame or discomfort caused by one's own actions or the actions of others. It can refer to situations such as making a mistake in public, being caught in a lie, or failing to meet expectations in front of others. Embarrassing moments can cause one to feel self-conscious, anxious, and sometimes even humiliated. The result of an embarrassing situation can vary depending on the severity and context, but it often leads to a desire to withdraw from social interactions or to make excuses for one's behavior.